Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining prerequisites with first actionable steps. Identify 3 skills or assets you already control, then prioritize them by margin potential. Once done, run 2 fast validation checks. Search volume for keywords and a small paid ads test with $50 to measure interest. Make sure to design a 14-day micro-experiment with clear KPIs, leads, click-through rate, and conversion, so you learn fast. Don't spend weeks planning. Execute measurable tests immediately to avoid false positives. Once you have initial signals, dig into the complex middle. Speak to 10 potential customers or read review threads to map real pain points. This shows nuance behind search numbers. Then analyze competitors for pricing, channels, product gaps, and messaging to find white space. Quantify where they underdeliver. Make a unique value hypothesis, one sentence that states your advantage. Then a /B test 2 landing pages targeting that angle. If conversion improves, you're onto a defensible niche. If not, iterate quickly. To finish, convert validated demand into a scalable offer. Pick subscription, course, or a high-ticket service based on margins and delivery capacity. Once chosen, measure CAC versus lifetime value. Double down on channels that hit your target ratio and automate onboarding. Make sure to optimize funnels and content for repeatability before scaling budgets. If growth stalls, troubleshoot by re-interviewing users, cutting low-value features, or adjusting price. One key tip: test one variable at a time to know what actually moves metrics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.